Hello, welcome. Today we'll be looking at how to build the extremely cute pixel creeper out of paper using only basic tools and materials. This full build video outlines tips and options on how to build the model easier and more textured. We'll need some scissors, a ruler, some glue, a black pen or marker, and ideally 45-pound mid-weight paper, but any paper will do. There's a link in the description with the template you can use to print. The general process entails cutting out, pre-shaping, and gluing the pieces. You can use the tips of scissors to make shortcuts for the tabs. Optionally, we can make the model more three-dimensional and richly textured by printing out another copy of the model and cutting out the pixel clusters separately, layering them onto the main model. It's ideal to do this step before doing any folding, as the pixels are quite small and it's easier to do on a flat surface. Optionally, with the black pen or highlighter or marker, we can color in the sides of the paper not printed. We can use a ruler to pre-fold the shapes prior to gluing by locating a ruler under the fold line and gently pressing on top to crease it. When gluing, ensure to glue one edge at a time and move on to the next only when fully dry. Finish each component, the head, body, and legs with this process, and then connect the three, completing the model. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel and check out the other content. Hope you enjoy building and wish you all the best in your papercraft adventure. All the best to you, my friend. Cheers.